Welcome to MedicoApps PDS Express, and today's class will be saying this pharma clinical question and was asked in the year 2024. Now, the question was a 28-year-old female was admitted in the ICU for altered sensorium. Then she had high-grade fever and they have mentioned 102, decreased vitals and nuchal rigidity. Very important thing to note. Now they're asking for the drug combination which is used for such condition. Options given were option A, ceftriaxone. Then option B was cefotaxime plus vancomycin. Option C was vancomycin alone. And option D was vancomycin plus meropenem.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now, this clinical question, it is pointing out towards the diagnosis of bacterial meningitis. It's a life-threatening condition. Let me tell you the clinical features for bacterial meningitis. And first of all, it is, you can say, life-threatening condition and you need to give prompt treatment. Multiple organisms are involved in this, pneumococcus, meningococcus, all those microorganisms. Now, coming on to the symptoms. So, there will be headache, altered mental status, which was mentioned in the question. Then phonophobia, photophobia will be there. Stiffness of the neck rigidity, important thing. There itself in the question I said important. Then high-grade fever. In question it was mentioned 102 degree. Then trunk, mucous membrane and extremities. If meningococcal infection, then there will be petechiae. So you can see petechiae in the trunk region. This is bacterial meningitis. For the diagnosis, you can go ahead with the CSF spinal tap. Now coming on to the treatment plan. So the combination which is given is option B, which includes your cefotaxime and vancomycin. So this is third generation cephalosporin. Okay, so it is broad spectrum antibiotics and it covers majority of the microorganism. Whereas you can say this, it is glycopeptide antibiotic, which is effective against gram-positive bacteria and multi-drug resistant bacteria. If you are giving all these things alone, they will not work. You need to give a combination, that is option B. This is generally not preferred. The preferred first line of treatment includes the cefotaxime and vancomycin. I hope this is clear to you now, and now you can just point out towards the diagnosis of bacterial meningitis, the clinical features and the treatment plan. Thank you.